our mindset to think like venture capitalists. Okay, let me throw a few things out. If we're thinking like venture capitalists when we're investing in crypto projects, NFT projects, or even investing in people, we have to do our research. Algorand. Hey, what's good, y'all? It's C. Will, and this is the Passive Income Network. On this channel, we talk about creating assets that produce passive income. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, say what's good. Okay, y'all, I'm making this video to talk about how to secure the bag. There's been a lot of stuff going on in the crypto universe, right? There's been rug pulls, there's been scams, there's been people sending NFTs and algos out and different cryptos out to different wallets and not receiving anything back. So I want to make a video and talk about it, right? I want to get our mindset to think like venture capitalists, okay? Let me throw a few things out. If we're thinking like venture capitalists when we're investing in crypto projects, NFT projects, or even investing in people, we have to do our research. You know, like we say, do they have a website? Do they have the white paper? Is their team on the website? Is there legit photos? Can we click a link and go to their LinkedIn? Can we click a link, go to their Instagram, their Facebook, their Snap, their WhatsApp, their Twitter, Telegram, Discord? Can we go to these channels, talk to them and communicate with the team members? Are they delivering on schedule? How's their, their finances look if you are looking at stocks? How is their tokenomics if you're looking at crypto, right? Are they communicating? Are they transparent? Because we're dealing with decentralized finance, futurifying this world. And what this means is that everything is open source. Open source meaning as anyone can tap in. We've seen what happened with the Tiny Man hack, right? So we have companies like Algorand Security. Is this blockchain platform, that application, does it have security measures that's on their website that they talk about? Have they been audited? These are things to think about. Do they have any background history? I always like to bring up Opolis because Lee Parsons is public, and he also has another company that's out there in the world where you could talk to his team, talk to him, and they have been in business for many years. So, is these projects happening like that? I want to reference Zone. People literally send algos out. We don't know if they're going to get algos back or Zone back. We don't know if they're going to get NFTs back. So these are things to think about. So a venture capitalist would have to have that meeting. It would have to see some communication. The team would have to talk and be intact before they could go send the algos there or make their investment into these companies. So something to think about. I want to make a quick video to get, put this information to y'all and present, because some people have been getting wrecked, right? And when we talking about swing trading, flipping, you got to watch the momentum of what's happening on the charts and in the community, fundamentally and technically, right? That's why on this channel, we always breaking it down. I don't push any products. I don't push anything. I just like to educate, get our minds right, so that way, and therefore we can make proper decisions when we're investing. Because over here, we focus on creating assets that produce passive income. So some of these projects, some of these NFTs or dApps, decentralized applications, or these roadmaps, they don't fit the formula of creating assets that produce passive income. Some of them have become a liability for some of us and some of you. So that's why I like staking. I like lockups. I like in-wallet staking. I like when my NFT project sends me some royalties in some coin, right? Verified or non-verified usually doesn't matter at this point, because we have seen verified assets do some sketchy things. So what I'm pushing for the community is to slow down. Let's slow down a little bit. Let's think about what we're actually doing with our money. Some of us, it's really hard earned money, and some people got money. So, do you make your decision? But on the Passive Income Network, we talk to each other, we communicate. That's why I'm bringing in different, I call them experts, different people in the community to talk about this, so we can share information and spit it back out, So make sure you secure the bag, secure your private keys. We know that. Secure the crypto, get great communication before you buy. Make sure, if you can, buy from exchanges, Buy, if the chart is going up and it's green for a while, not just a week or a day, but wait a few months if you can. Put things on your watch list, and take your time. That's what we're doing over here. Passive Income Network, C Will. Make sure that y'all tap in with me on the next one. I'm going. Algorand.
See the crypto, a digital face, 2021 fiat replace. Had to have it, bank account by Algorand, large amounts.